I just bought this pouch for dog treats to improve my golf game. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this to improve my golf game, and I want to show you why I think it might. Right, so when I'm out golfing, you always need tees, and what I have done here is I've added this little pouch here to have my tees at the ready, so I don't have to have a bunch of them in my pockets. Now, the problem with this is you go up to your bag and you unzip this and you grab a tee out of here. You have to zip it back up, especially one-handed. This is kind of tough, and I thought, man, there's got to be an easier way, something more convenient where I can just get the tee, walk away, and I don't have to worry about this flopping around or losing tees on the golf course. So I picked up this. Now, this is a little silicone pouch actually designed for giving your dog a dog treat once in a while. You can wear it on your hip, and it opens up here with a magnet, and it just closes back up naturally. Now, it's not waterproof. Obviously, you can see that the opening there is kind of like largemouth bass, so you will have that potentially. You might actually drill a hole in there if you're worried about water getting in there, but it just clips onto your belt, and I thought I could just clip this onto my golf bag, put my tees in here, and then what I could do potentially is just reach in and grab a tee and then not have to worry about closing it up. So let's try it out. So I have just gone ahead and clipped it to this little hook here. There's a D-ring on this side. I could clip it there too. I filled it up with some golf tees here. And now if I just reach my hand here, I can grab one, pull it out, and it closes up automatically. So how awesome is that? I think this little pouch is going to make my golfing more enjoyable. And it will probably shave 15 to 20 strokes off my game. Guaranteed. I'm pretty excited about it. Hey, if you want to pick up this for your golf game, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.